Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 proven ways to make money online. With the rise of the internet and digital technologies, there are now more opportunities than ever before to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So, without further ado, let's get started. Method number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online. There are many websites, such as Upwork and Fiverr, that connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Whether you are a writer, designer, or programmer, you can find work that fits your skills and interests. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. This can be done through social media, a blog, or even a YouTube channel. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program, but there are many others out there. Method number 3, online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions through online surveys. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys. Method number 4, selling products online. If you have a talent for making crafts, art, or other products, you can sell them online through platforms like Etsy or eBay. You can also create your own website or online store to sell products that you create or source from others. Method number 5, online teaching. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can teach others online through platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. This can include anything from teaching a language to creating an online course on a specific topic. So, there you have it, 5 proven ways to make money online. While these methods won't make you rich overnight, they can be a great way to earn some extra cash or even start a full-time online business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.